ZIF connector are typically used to lock in the flex cable. To unlocking the ZIF connector, you should be prepared ESD-safe tools like tweezers, black stick, and Kapton tape. Now that we've identified the three tools, let's go over how they're used. Use the tweezers to lift up the end of the tab. Flip the locking lever up with a black stick. Use the pull tab to remove the cable. Or use the tweezers to gently detach the flex cable from the ZIF connector. If there's no pull tab, use a black stick to evenly disconnect the cable. Close the levers after the cable is disconnected to protect the levers during board handling and shipment. For replacement, first ensure the locking lever is flipped up. If there is no pull tab, create one with ESD-safe Kapton tape. Use the tab to seat the cable in the receptacle. Insert the cable as straight as possible. Close the lever. Remove the Kapton tape. If there is pull tab, repeat the previous steps. Or use tweezers to gently insert the flex cable into the ZIF connector. Flip the locking lever down with a black stick. And press the tab over it. When properly seated, the connector lies flat and fits flush with the receptacle.